Welcome back to another Disney vlog. Today we're headed to Animal Kingdom. Victoria crowned pigeon.
That's a...
Oh my gosh, look up there, Dad. It says tigers eat bats and lizards. Now put your shirts on. Getting on Expedition Everest for the second time. making our way back to the bus stop. How was your day?
It was probably the best day ever.
Oh,
Okay.
ever.
Probably ever.
Wow.
Besides like a couple other days.
Oh, Mom, those baby things are over there too. We are back in the room. Say it again. Oh God. We're back in the room. I'm gonna have this Mickey ice cream bar, get in the shower, and go to bed. Great day, sunny day. 5 out of 5. 10 out of 10. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these Disney videos, make sure you come back next week for the next one. I'll see you in the next one, which will be our Epcot day.